Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow brownies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget about 2 cups of mini marshmallows for later. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9x 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. Now let's get started on the brownie batter. In a large microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Once melted, whisk in 1 cup of granulated sugar until smooth. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake the base of our delicious marshmallow brownies. Pour the prepared brownie batter evenly into your lined 9x 13-inch baking pan. Spread it out with a spatula to ensure an even layer. Place the pan into your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. The brownies should be mostly set, but still a little soft in the center. Remove the pan from the oven and immediately sprinkle 2 cups of mini marshmallows evenly over the warm brownies. Return the pan to the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the marshmallows are puffed and lightly golden. Once the marshmallows are perfectly toasted, remove the brownies from the oven. This is the hardest part. You must let them cool completely in the pan before attempting to cut them. This allows the marshmallows to set properly and prevents a sticky mess. Once cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to carefully lift the entire slab of brownies out of the pan. Place them on a cutting board and slice into your desired size squares. And for easy cleanup and storage, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade marshmallow brownies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.